Today we're going to be changing spark plugs on this 2008 Honda Civic EX with the 1.8 liter. This car has 207,822 miles on it. We're still running the original spark plugs in it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the car for a drive, heat that engine up so the spark plugs break free easier. The next step you're going to need to do is remove the plugs off the back of the coils. Just simply press down and you can see them pop loose and then wiggle them off. Do that with all four. Next you're going to need a 10mm socket and you're going to loosen these bolts up here and pull your coils out. And they'll come out and they'll look just like this. It's also a good idea to mark each coil 1, 2, 3, and 4 so that you put them back in the same place. Now you're going to need a long extension with a 5/8 inch spark plug socket, and you can get down in there and break your plug free. Actually came loose pretty easy. Since the engine was heated up, I was a little bit worried because I almost have 208,000 miles on this car and these are still the original plugs. I figured it was finally time to change them. There they are. Before installing your new spark plug, check your gap. Even though they come factory gapped, you want to still check them. Somebody could have dropped these spark plugs at the store, or they're just off a little bit at the factory. They recommend on my car, my particular engine is 1.1 millimeters, or around roughly 0.040. So what do you do if the spark plug socket gets stuck in there? It came off, it's stuck around the spark plug. So I'm gonna have to get my long needle nose pliers, pull that out. And I got it. There's a rubber boot in there that goes around the plug. And sometimes they'll stick on like that, so just get your needle nose pliers and pull it back out. Now that you got your plug back in and torqued to specs, it's time to put the coil back on and plug it back in. Now that you have that one done, you just continue with the other three. And with this 1.8 liter Honda Civic engine, it's really easy to get at these plugs. and quite easy to change them yourself. Well, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or any other suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.